Hello and welcome to another new episode. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. Look friends, there are many kind of animal like farm animal, like wild animal and safari animal. There are cow, goat, tiger, crocodile, fox, camel. So friends, start this video. I hope you will like this video. So stay with us. First of all, I take it rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a cute wild animal and safari animal. They have a horn on their nose, with which they can attack their enemies. Here we go. Cute wild animal and safari animal. Rhinoceros. Now I will wash him because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Rhinoceros. Cute wild animal and safari animal. The next is deer. Deer is the cute wild animal and safari animal. They can run very fast and very intelligent animal. Here we go. Cute wild animal and safari animal. Deer. Now wash him because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Cute wild animal and safari animal. Deer. Next I take fox. Fox is a wild animal and safari animal. Looking so cute and adorable, they are very intelligent animal. Here we go. Cute wild animal and safari animal fox. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Fox, our cute favorite wild animal and safari animal. Next is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the cute wild animal and safari animal. They are loved water and they love to spend time in the water. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, hippopotamus. Let's wash him because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, hippopotamus, our cute wild animal and safari animal.
For him to meet the family.
Now I take it a cute wild animal and safari animal, meerkat. Meerkat is a cute small animal. They are looking very gorgeous and awesome. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, meerkat. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, meerkat. Next is crocodile. Crocodile is the wild animal and safari animal. They are looking very gorgeous, but they are very dangerous animal. Here we go. Cute wild animal and safari animal, crocodile. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Crocodile, very dangerous animal. Next is turtle. Turtle is a cute sea animal. They are looking very gorgeous and awesome, and they are very calm species. Here we go, cute sea animal, turtle. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, cute sea animal, turtle. Next is camel. Camel is a cute wild animal and farm animal. They are looking very gorgeous and they can survive in too much hot weather. Here we go. Cute wild animal and farm animal camel. Let's wash him because he is very dirty. Here we go. Our cute favorite animal camel. This is a polar bear, cute white color polar bear, looking so adorable. They can survive in the very cold weather. Here we go, our cute white color animal polar bear. Let's wash him fresh because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, polar bear, cute wild animal. This is an anteater, cute looking gorgeous anteater. They have a thick tail and lot of hair in the tail. Here we go, cute wild animal anteater. Let's wash him fresh because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, cute and small wild animal anteater. This is a cute wild animal and safari animal zebra. Their color is white and black combination, looking so cute and adorable. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal zebra. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, zebra. The next is cow. Cow is a cute farm animal. They are looking so awesome. Their color is very gorgeous. They are very useful for humans and their milk is very nutrition. Here we go, our favorite farm animal cow. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, cow, our cute and favorite farm animal. The next is goat. Goat is a cute farm animal. Their color is very gorgeous, very qualityful animal. There are about 300 species of goat. Here we go, our cute farm animal goat. Let's wash him fresh because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our cute and favorite farm animal goat. Next is Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger is a very dangerous wild animal and safari animal. Their teeth is very sharp. With these teeth, they chew and chew animals. Here we go, our cute favorite wild animal and safari animal, very dangerous Royal Bengal tiger. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our favorite wild animal, Royal Bengal tiger. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support us. See you soon again. Bye bye.